Gentlemen! Oh!
Amazon Home finds has just slapped. This is my new power scrubber that has a chamber to fill with soap to automatically clean pots, pans, tile, and tubs, so you don't have to manually scrub with the sponge any longer. It's rechargeable, has 2 speeds with an ELD screen to show you how much charge is left, and comes with multiple brush heads so you can wash dishes and clean the shower in no time.
Shut up and take my money!
Using this product, you can control any electronic device. This means stuff like TVs, Tesla's petrol tanks, and gates can all be controlled remotely using the device's infrared transmitter. If you want to break into your mate's phone, it can be plugged in and randomly tries codes until it unlocks. It can also read NFC tags, then recreate them, which means you can get access to your mate's workplace or credit card details. If a random dog comes along, it will also allow you to scan its chip and tell you who the owner is. Plus, you can play Flappy Bird on it.
Oh, no.
Place this little gadget over your kitchen sink, and you can easily drain food debris without dropping a single crumb. It keeps everything from going down the sink while still letting water pass right through. This is perfect if you're living in a home with no garbage disposal. The mesh bags are replaceable, so once it's full, just throw it away. It prevents your drain from getting—
Shut up and take my money!
Surprisingly, this toy isn't much cheaper at $61. For this amount, it aims to baffle your mind with an optical illusion defying gravity. When the toy spins, it seems as if the ball is levitating. The creators encourage buyers to discover the trick on their own, providing a hint there are no electrical or magnetic components in the toy.
Oh, no.
It's approximately 2.2 kilograms and is designed for easy one-handed operation. Thanks to the 7,000 mAh battery, it provides an hour of underwater adventures, propelling swimmers at a speed of 7.5 kilometers per hour. The scooter's available
Shut
for
up and
purchase
take my
in
money!
669 in the world. Compatible with European footwear sizes 38 to 47, it also works with ski and snowboard boots. Suitable for skiing in various landscapes, from ski resorts to parks, it provides enjoyment for both beginners and individuals experienced in skiing, skating, and rollerblading. A pair of Snowfeet Pro is priced at $195.
Oh, no.
This flashlight has a beam that reaches 136 meters. In energy-saving mode, a single charge can last for 360 hours of operation. The strobe mode is useful for self-defense. However, the real standout is the spinner attached to the body, which makes it clear why the flashlight is priced at $209. The Mishatsu Voyager has transformed the suitcase scene by not just following its owner, but also doubling as an electric scooter. You can ride the Mishatsu Voyager for approximately 7 kilometers. It weighs only 5.4 kilograms, has a 33-liter capacity, and is priced at $599. Even a hand warmer can be sold for as much as $135 these days. Just add a 5,000 mAh battery, keep the controls simple, and highlight that it warms your hands in 3 seconds, while also relieving pain after a long day's work. According to the creators of this projector, their goal is to bring inner calm through comfort. Its interchangeable cartridges reveal stunning views of our universe, allowing you to travel 8,000 light-years without leaving your room to admire the Lobster Nebula, for instance. The projector offers 360-degree rotation and forward-backward tilting. A single charge provides 6 hours of use, all for the price of $120. Color doesn't just affect our mood, it can also spur you into action, say scientists. Time to choose the perfect color background, and the Yeelight Smart Light can assist you with that. It offers dynamic backlighting in games, music-synced diffused light, and unique clock displays. Thanks to ARGB backlighting, the transitions between shades are incredibly smooth. All of this comes at a cost of $80. You can't help but smile using the XL18, the manufacturer claims. What better slogan to sell a flamethrower? The XL18 can shoot at a distance of up to 33 meters and maintain a continuous flame for about 7 seconds. It even accepts napalm for refueling. You can buy this flamethrower for $3,450. Cutix is a cross between a thermos bottle and a Lego set. It keeps your drink warm for approximately 12 hours and lets you unleash your creativity by assembling a work of art with its hexagonal parts. The basic set, priced at about €35, includes a 473ml bottle and 150 parts, with up to 3 different colours chosen by the buyer. If you want to express your inner Picasso, the creators offer it for $39. Breaking news. Pets are protesting uncomfortable conditions, but Iguma is stepping in to help. They've created a universal enclosure for reptiles, amphibians, and small mammals. The enclosure features ventilation, LED lighting, and a heating system. Additionally, you can adjust the settings to mimic day and night changes, as well as seasonal variations. The enclosure is available for $299. Experience warmth in 3 seconds without dust, wind, noise, or dry skin. Intrigued? That's what the creators of Suncoast promise. After 3 years of work, they've developed a super efficient heating film that reaches 32 degrees Celsius in just 3 seconds. This makes Suncoast 40 times more efficient than many of its counterparts. The heater is priced at $229. EverFit X is designed for people who recognize the importance of regular workouts but can't make it to the gym. This home workout system integrates a rowing machine, treadmill, and a fitness pump. Settings are shown on a large touchpad, easily accessible even while running. With dimensions of 170 by 91 by 120 centimeters and a foldable design, EverFit X won't take up much space. The system's priced at $400.